Hello my friends and welcome to today's practice. Today we're going to be doing Qigong self-massage and breath work to help us tackle symptoms of allergy, blocked sinuses, and help to stimulate and tonify our lungs. It's a great routine to do in spring season or any time when you're feeling a little bit under the weather, symptoms of allergy maybe flaring up, or just help your immune system to be stronger and more robust. Let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos and would like to make Qigong a daily practice, consider joining my 21-day beginner program. Each day will bring you something new, whether it's energy, stress relief, or sleep, and can help you build a regular and more confident practice at home. You can find more information on ksenygray.com or join today with a few simple steps. Let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position with your feet shoulder distance apart. Relax your hips, your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. Let's begin by activating our hands and the lung meridian. The lung meridian would be related to the lung organ and then find its way out under the collarbone and travel down the side of the arm all the way to the thumb. There are quite a few acupressure points located on that meridian that are quite beneficial for regulating and stimulating the energy flow in the lung meridian. We're going to target them. But let's first open up the energy gates in our hands. Begin to focus your attention on the physical sensations happening in your body. First step to mindfulness is having a good relationship with your body. And then go ahead and massage. I'm going to come a little closer and massage your thumb. You can apply some pressure, making sure you stimulate circulation all the way to your fingertip. And then go ahead and find the muscle between the thumb and the index finger. If this area is sensitive, go ahead and massage it thoroughly. Trying to reduce that soreness, trying to reduce the sensitivity. This acupressure point is known as Hegu. It's a fantastic point for regulating the energy in the chest area, to the head, and also responsible for our entire Vei-Qi, protective energy. Good. From here, we're going to massage the wrist area. Just wrap your hand around it. Some light pressure to tackle the acupressure points, especially under the thumb. Well done. A few more times. Good. And then we're going to massage the area. We're trying to target the muscle coming and passing through the elbow. Easy way to do it, just rub vigorously without creating too much tension in your shoulders until you feel that warmth spreading. If there's any stagnation or the circulation is slow, this is a nice way to boost it. Well done. Relax. And then from here, we're going to come up to the upper arm and front of the shoulder, especially where the shoulder joins the torso. We have some important acupressure points, and often at the joints we have blockage or stagnation. So go ahead and free the space, free up some energy, and then tug it in under the collarbone. Same here until you feel nice warm sensations. You want the circulation, you want the activation. You want a response from the body. Good. And then from here, we're going to join the entire line, pathway related to the lung meridian. And one more. Hop. Well done. And you can even compare quickly. You can feel like this area is just a lot more open. You can feel the circulation. And let's begin by massaging the thumb on the other hand. Whichever way you want, as long as you improve and enhance circulation to the area. And then massage the hagu point, the muscle between the thumb and the index finger. Again, if you find it sensitive, pause the video, spend a little longer. Good. Find your way to the wrist line. Nice warm bracelet around the wrist. Well done. Another muscle. This actually feels quite nice. Go ahead and massage vigorously to generate warmth, increase in the blood flow, especially the capillary blood flow right under the skin. Good. Targeting the shoulder and the upper arm. And under the collarbone. Well done. And from here, brush a few times, activating the entire meridian line. Well done. Last one. Up, relax. From here, let's create some warmth in the chest area with the open palm, connecting the Laogun point to the Da Jun point right in the center of your chest. And feel how that warmth is beginning to spread. Change your hands. A few more times. Relax. From here, we're going to target the large intestine points. Large intestine is the meridian related or connected to the lung meridian. They help each other to regulate and balance the energy. These points are also good for unblocking the nasal pathway. So if you're already kind of blocked, congested when starting this video, you may want to do it at the beginning. just to help yourself open up. And then a few times the other way. Those ones really help to clear up the space, clear out the area. Well done. And then to calm everything down, relax the mind, we're going to find the in-time point, the third eye. And with the base of our palm, we're going to circle. It doesn't have to be too stimulating. Just relax as you enjoy the circular movement. Take a couple of deep breaths. Relax in the forehead, relax in the eyes. And then changing hands. Just allow yourself a moment to feel your body, feel your breath. Relax your mind. Well done. And I want you to take a moment to appreciate and feel all the work that you've done, especially the relationship between your thumb, your palm, your arm, and your chest area. There's a slight increase in temperature. Also, the awareness, the sensations are pleasant and warm and comforting. And those are usually symbolize a good energy circulating. There's an internal activation, there's no blockages, and that energy is nourishing and supporting energetically your lungs and your respiratory system. And take a nice deep breath in as we finish. And I can feel first drops of rain. Inhale, perfect ending. Exhale, it's happening. One more. Very refreshing. Exhale. Hands on the belly. Smile. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you found these exercises helpful. Practice them daily if you need to tackle those issues. And as always, don't forget to support the channel, subscribe, share with your friends so more people can discover and benefit from free Qigong videos on YouTube. Until next time, I wish you great health and keep on practicing.